Everyone said AI would replace expensive humans with cheap software. So why are companies finding their AI costs quietly creeping past what they paid the people it replaced? I'm Dougortiz. Today we're testing that promise. Is AI actually cheaper than hiring, or just cheaper for the first 3 months? The pitch was simple. A rep costs $20 to $30 an hour, and an AI answers for a fraction of a cent. On paper, it looks like unbeatable math. So why are companies now spending more on AI than the team it replaced? Because comparing salary to per query price compares two completely different things. Multiplier 1, volume. A human has a ceiling of maybe 40 to 60 conversations a day, while AI has none. Once a task is free to run, people run it constantly, regenerating answers and feeding in whole documents just in case. You didn't just replace the workload, you unlocked unlimited demand for it. Multiplier 2, supervision. AI still needs a human to check it because models hallucinate and confidently get things wrong. The human doesn't disappear. Their job shifts to reviewing the machine's work, and they still need a paycheck. Multiplier 3, model choice. Most teams default to the flagship expensive model for every task, simple or complex. That model can cost 10 to 20 times more per request than a smaller model built for basic jobs. Using the smartest model for every task is like paying a specialist rate for basic work. So is AI cheaper than humans? It can be dramatically cheaper, but only under specific conditions. AI wins when the task is high volume, repetitive, errors are cheap to fix, the right-sized model is used, and usage is capped. AI loses when the task needs near-perfect accuracy, usage has no ceiling, the priciest model runs by default, and nobody tracks cost per outcome. AI isn't a universally cheaper replacement for humans. It's a different cost structure, usage-based instead of salary-based. And usage-based costs spiral in ways a fixed salary never does. The company's actually saving money with AI measured, capped, and matched it to the right task. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment below. Did AI actually save your team money, or did the bill surprise you?